Hello. Today is Friday, the 26th day of December in 2025 at 5:17 p.m. Welcome to my channel. I make random rambling videos like this one. My name is Aaron Wills. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe before you share this video and turn on the post notification bell. This is really just an audio check because I'm going to move back a little bit because I'm clipping way up there. I don't know why. I'm clipping pretty bad up there, so I'm going to move back some. I got the what is it called? What's that called? The gain. I got the gain turned down past noon. It's to about 11 o'clock. Maybe to about 10. Closer than 9 o'clock. I would say about 10 o'clock, but it's actually closer to 9 o'clock. So I turn it way down, but I still am clipping if I get close enough. If I move back this far, it stays in the yellow, so that's good. I'll stay back here. This is really just an audio check because my new audio interface, I put it back up after parking it because it wasn't working either. And now this one, I hope this one works. The last one didn't work. I'm hoping this one works just fine. I need it to. I really need it to. So, I'm hoping it do. I'm hoping it do. Anyway, how long is it? About 2 minutes. It's an awful long audio check. That's long enough for me to know whether the, some funny shit on, some funny commercials on LC, Local Universe, the LCL, Local Live, in the LC. Anyway, I'm going to hang it up now. That's long enough to know if this is working properly. All right. Two fingers, everybody. See you when I see you. Peace of rolls. Peace. Peace. See ya.